Okay, so my name is Anne-Marie Thompson. I'm the guardian of Jayden, also his aunt.
The Jamaica News Page is following the ongoing search for 12-year-old Manchester High School student Jayden Smith. Jayden is described as dark-complexioned, slim-built, about 5 feet tall, and was last seen at home around 6:15 a.m., dressed in his khaki school uniform and brown shoes. The Jamaica Observer recently caught up with his guardian and aunt, Anne-Marie Thompson, who has been tirelessly searching for him over the past 6 days.
Right now, and what are you expecting from the search?
Well, the mood for Jayden's family right now, for us, it's a very sad moment, it's a very lonely moment, it's a very despairing moment. Everything that is upsetting right now, because Jayden is my twin brother's son, so you could know the bond that we had. Jayden is like a glue to me. Person would say sometimes, Jayden, why you not look at your auntie or give your auntie some space? He's just a loving child, he's a humble child, he's helpful. Words just can't explain how of a good child Jayden is. So I'm imploring to the community or the world in wide, anybody know of Jayden, where Jayden is. If you see Jayden, just bring him back home to us. We desperately need Jayden. We desperately need Jayden back home. His safety.
As you prepare to go off on this search, what are your expectations? What are you hoping will happen? What are you expecting to happen?
Well, I'm expecting that I might find him in a little corner, but fine, but alive.
She's also dismissing claims that Jayden was being ill-treated, which some have suggested may be connected to his disappearance.
Yes, and the negativity that persons are sending, because my son just showed me something a while ago where somebody said that we beat him and bury him. It's just like persons supposed to understand when you're grieving or you're under stress, don't try to say something to make the situation worse. You understand? I have Jayden for 7 years. 7 long years. I took Jayden when he was 5 years old. I was the one who got birth certificate for Jayden, got him fully immunized and everything. When we were preparing for Jayden, Jayden is also the top PEP student for Beth Arbor Primary School. He was even the valedictorian for Beth Arbor School graduation. And I did every preparation to get Jayden off of school, 100%. So why would I try to hurt him now because of a little incident? Accident will happen.
The night before Jayden went missing, his aunt Anne-Marie says he was playing with her baby grandson, a child visiting from the United States who had been staying with them for about a month.
So on Thursday evening, maybe around 6:30, he and my grandson, who is Zaire Cook, 2 years old, is a United States citizen, so he came down just a month ago to be with us. And he have a cartoon with a little action cartoon on it where he jumps and he do the action. So he was there in the living room doing it with Jayden. I don't know exactly, because I was in my bedroom. I don't know exactly what the intent of the movement was. But then in the room I hear Zaire scream out. So I rushed to the room only to find him on the ground, crouching his leg like this. So I pick him up, rush into the room, and then I realized that I can't move him. So I said something is seriously wrong. I called my husband and I said, okay, we're going to rush him to the hospital. I called Jayden. I said, Jayden, what happened? Jayden said he fell on his leg. I said, okay. I said, Jayden, you just have to be more careful when playing with the baby. That's all we said. All of us got ready and we went off to the hospital.
All right. And what was the tone when you were talking to him about that?
Well, I normally have a soft tone. I'm not a person who talk long. So I just said to him, Jayden, just be more careful with the baby. That's all. We didn't talk to Jayden any way harsh, any way disrespectful, or stuff like that.
Based on what you know about Jayden, do you think he might be struggling with the emotion of guilt, perhaps having, seen the injury?
Well, it's a possibility, but Jayden is a person that does show his emotion. I don't know if it's because of his growing up, because he grew up very rough. So I don't know if it's because of that he tends to keep things inside, so I'm not sure.
Find out what has been the reaction like to your appeal for persons to assist to reach out?
Just to assist positive way, not negative. Anything you can do, you hear something, you see something, or anything, just reach out to us.
Anyone with information is urged to contact the Alligator Pond Police at 876-2243-113, call 119, or report to the nearest police station. I'm Chris reporting for the Jamaica News Page.